What's up everyone, it's Aditya, and in this video we're diving deep into Chapter 11 of your Class 11 Computer Science with Python textbook Cyber Safety. Now, you might be thinking, cyber safety sounds kind of dry, right? But trust me on this isn't just some boring chapter to skim through. We're talking about the foundation of how we interact with the digital world, the tools and habits that keep your information safe and secure. We're living in a digital world using phones, laptops, the whole 9 yards, and all that comes with risks. Think about it, online banking, social media, even just browsing for the latest tech. It all relies on cyber safety. This isn't just about acing a test. This is about understanding the protocols and practices that are going to keep you safe online, not just today, but for years to come. So let's break down the essential elements of cyber safety and equip you with the knowledge to navigate the digital world confidently. Alright, let's kick things off by defining cyber safety. Now, it might sound complicated, but at its core, cyber safety is all about protecting yourself in the digital world. Think of it as your digital shield against viruses, hackers, and online threats. It's about safeguarding your computers, networks, and all the valuable data you store on them. We're talking about your personal information, photos, messages, everything important to you. In today's world where everything happens online, cyber safety is non-negotiable. It's like locking your door when you leave the house. Cyber safety is the digital equivalent of that. It's about being proactive and protecting yourself from digital threats. The first step is understanding its importance. Awareness of risks makes you take them seriously. You think twice before clicking on a suspicious link. That awareness makes all the difference. It's about creating digital habits, like looking both ways before crossing the street. Once you handle cyber safety, it's not just about protecting yourself. You become a guardian of your digital space. Let's talk about something we all do, browsing the web. It's how we connect, learn, and spend time watching funny cat videos, but it's also a gateway to risks if you're not careful. Every click, download, or visit opens a door for cyber threats. Practicing safe browsing habits is crucial. Always keep your software updated. Updates often contain patches for vulnerabilities. It's like having the latest security system for your digital home. Ignoring them is like leaving your front door wide open. Don't click on links from unknown senders or websites you don't recognize. Avoid accessing sensitive information on public Wi-Fi. If you have to, use a VPN. It's like creating a secure tunnel for your data. And don't forget about firewalls. Now let's talk about your web browser, that window to the internet where you spend countless hours. Your browser is your first line of defense against online threats. It comes equipped with powerful security features. First, let's talk about security settings. Modern browsers have dedicated security settings to customize your protection. Explore these settings and choose the best options for your needs. Enable a pop-up blocker for effective security. Pop-ups can be annoying and malicious, redirecting you to phishing websites or installing malware. A pop-up blocker ensures a smoother and safer browsing experience. Your browser can also help identify phishing websites. Phishing websites trick you into revealing personal information. They mimic legitimate websites to gain your trust. Most browsers have built-in phishing filters. If you access a suspicious site, your browser will warn you. Let's be real, the internet can be a wild place, full of amazing opportunities and, well, some not-so-amazing characters. That's why practicing safe online behavior is crucial. It's like having a set of street smarts for the digital world. Be mindful of what you share online. Think twice before posting personal information. Once something is out there, it can be tough to control. Review your privacy settings on social media platforms and be selective about what information you make public. Avoid clicking on links from unknown senders or websites you don't recognize. Phishing emails are designed to trick you into revealing personal information. If you're unsure about an email's legitimacy, contact the organization directly. Let's talk about online shopping and banking, the things that make the internet dangerously convenient. Prioritize security when making online transactions. Ensure you're on a secure website before entering any sensitive information. Look for HTTPS and a padlock icon in the address bar. These indicate encryption to protect your data. Credit cards offer better fraud protection than debit cards. You're less likely to be held liable for unauthorized charges with a credit card. Consider using a digital wallet for extra security. These services use tokenization, so your card number isn't shared with the merchant. Avoid public Wi-Fi for online transactions. Hackers can intercept data on unsecured networks, so use home Wi-Fi or mobile data. Be wary of suspicious emails or messages claiming to be from your bank or payment provider. Let's talk about cookies. And no, I don't mean the delicious kind that pairs perfectly with a glass of milk. I'm talking about internet cookies, those tiny text files that websites store on your computer to remember your preferences and browsing activity. Now, cookies aren't inherently bad. In fact, they can be quite helpful, remembering your login information, shopping cart items, and other preferences, making your online experience smoother. But here's the thing. Cookies can also be used to track your online behavior, and that's where privacy concerns come in. Advertisers use cookies to track your browsing habits, serving you targeted ads based on your interests. While this might seem harmless, it can feel invasive, especially when those targeted ads follow you around the internet like a lost puppy. The good news is you have control over cookies. Most browsers allow you to manage cookies through their settings. You can choose to block all cookies, allow only first-party cookies from websites you visit directly, or clear your cookies regularly. Okay, this might seem like a simple one, but trust me, it's a game changer in the world of cyber safety. We're talking about bookmarks, those handy little shortcuts that allow you to save your favorite and frequently visited websites. Now, you might be thinking, bookmarks, how are those going to improve my cyber safety? Well, think about it. When you bookmark a website, you're essentially creating a trusted pathway to that destination. Instead of relying on search engines, where you might accidentally stumble upon a malicious website mimicking a legitimate one, bookmarks allow you to bypass those risks and go directly to the source. Let's say you frequently do your online banking with a specific bank. Instead of typing the bank's URL into your browser every time, which, let's be honest, opens up the possibility of typos and potential phishing scams, you can simply click on the bookmark you've saved for that bank's website. It's a small step, but it significantly reduces the risk of landing on a fake website designed to steal your login credentials. And here's another bonus tip. Organize your bookmarks into folders. Create folders for different categories like banking, shopping, social media, or news. So there you have it, guys, a crash course in cyber safety. We've covered a lot of ground, from understanding the importance of strong passwords to navigating the world of online transactions securely. Remember, cyber safety is an ongoing journey, not a destination. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed about the latest threats and adapt your security practices accordingly. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, and fellow digital citizens.